Hong Kong is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. It has a tropical climate and temperatures are really warm, both during the winter and during the summer when it's really hot actually. It is also subject to typhoon, and if it happens that you land in Hong Kong after a typhoon, you will notice it, but not that much because people are really efficient in that city, and you will barely notice something. My hotel was in Kowloon. That is one of the most interesting area of the city, full of markets, any kind of food, teas and sushi, noodles, whatever kind of food that you would like to taste is everywhere, and a lot of places to go for dinner in the night. One of the greatest attractions in Hong Kong is actually the Big Buddha in Lung Chau Island. You can get there by taking the Ngong Ping cable car, and it takes roughly 25 minutes ride to get there from the MTR Tung Chung station. A really nice thing that you can do by taking this cable car is taking the one with the see-through bottom. While you're there, you can see all the surrounding hills, the airport, and old forest, and it's really amazing to see. To get to Big Buddha, you will pass through a very nice village, and there's also a monastery there that is called Pon Lin Monastery. Big Buddha is a 35 meters high statue, and it was built in 1993. There are really many stairs to get up there, but the view is really worthy. You will walk along a road where you have old shop surroundings, restaurants, and cows everywhere that are free to go around. In my personal experience, I could see so many different things in only 3 days there. And for example, the Hong Kong Tattoo Convention, that is really worth it to go if you are in the right period, live music, and Temple Street night markets. But also, if you can, the Lion's Dance is really something really typical and traditional to see in the city. Anything in Hong Kong, like night markets and everything that you're gonna meet during your adventure, is really worthy to be photographed, and it's really interesting. And that's also why I suggest that you, when you stay in your hotel, try taking a room with a good view to see the amazing Hong Kong skyline. In Hong Kong, there's also a zoo, the Ocean Park Zoo, and Disneyland. So if you have time, don't miss it.